So this place has, oh, speaking of, a huge collection of birds. So this place is also considered a UNESCO World Heritage Site because it's a really well-preserved ecosystem where there's a wide range of wild birds and animals, just like that bird that we saw there. So, pretty cool. I don't know if you can see, but you can actually see the fishes swimming underneath, and all the branches, the trees, the plants underneath the water. It's almost like a painting, like a cartoon. It's so unreal. And all these very tall, beautiful trees that you're looking at, and if you could actually smell the fresh air that I am right now, these are beech trees, which adds to why this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. To be honest, I had no idea what beech trees were, but there was a sign that was in Japanese that said beech tree forest. And now we know. Now I know. You know, I saw some people, like, you know, leaning their ears to the trees, and I wonder what that was. Well, they came with a tour guide, and we didn't hear anything like that. What I think is, you know, because nature is so sacred, and whether it be a religious thing, because, you know, Shinto religion in Japan does revere nature, all the elements of nature. So maybe, you know, how they say when you talk to plants, like, nature speaks to you through the wind, through the trees, through the waters. Like, you're always encouraged to go back to nature, to do soul searching and connect to your roots. Maybe, you know, we don't know. It's nearly impossible for you to get lost, even if you're in a national forest, because there are so many signs like these, and it even tells you how far you have to go. That was nice. All done. Okay, so we're following the path. Because apparently here is like a shortcut through a couple of streams, and we're gonna find Japan's Grand Canyon. So, hope this works. Okay. And getting to the canyon. Oh. Hi. Hello. Konnichiwa. They were so lovely. And they're probably looking at me like, what the hell is she wearing? She's not ready to rough it. Ugh. So amazing! I can't believe it. Japanese Grand Canyon. Okay, nature aside, I just want to show you guys the things that I'm sure a lot of people do to get a good photo. So kids, don't try this at home. I know I should have hiking gear, and I know my mom's gonna kill me if I'm doing this. Okay, I would go higher up, but my jeans are so tight, I would probably tear them, so never mind. Yeah, okay, that's it. But hey, it gives the illusion like I'm so high, right? Okay, I think we're done. Okay, photo time. That through this trail and through some small ponds or streams or whatever you call them is this hidden gem. I'm just, you know, Japan never fails to amaze me. The Japan Grand Canyon, Aomori. Probably the worst time to be wearing something like this, but I have water boots, so let's give it a try. That was so much walking, and that was a lot of water, and that was a lot of nature, and that was amazing.